Hello friends! Learning proverbs is a great way to understand not only the language but also the culture of a nation. Ukrainian proverbs are short, wise sayings that people use in everyday life. Today I will show you some of the most famous ones. First one is «З миру по нитці голому сорочка». Literally from the word a thread and the naked man gets a shirt. З миру по нитці голому сорочка. This proverb means that if everyone contributes just a little, together it becomes something valuable or useful. It teaches the importance of cooperation, charity and community support. Even the smallest help, when multiplied of many people, can make a big difference. З миру по нитці голому сорочка. Second. Не кажи гоп, поки не перескочиш. Literally, don't say hop until you jump over. Не кажи гоп, поки не перескочиш. This scene warns us not to celebrate success too early. It is a reminder that results matter more than promises, and we should not be overconfident until the job is truly done. So, не кажи гоп, поки не перескочиш. Next one is язик до Києва доведе. Literally, the tongue will lead you to Kyiv. Язик до Києва доведе. This means that if you ask for directions and communicate with people, you can find your way anywhere. In a broader sense, it highlights the importance of speaking up and using communication as a tool to solve problems. Язик до Києва доведе. Next one. Слово не горобеться. Вилетить не впіймаєш. Literally, a word is not a sparrow. Once it flies out, you cannot catch it. Слово не горобець. Вилетить не впіймаєш. This proverb warns us to think before we speak. Words once spoken cannot be taken back, and they may hurt others or cause problems. It is about responsibility in communication. Слово не горобець. Вилетить не спіймаєш. Next one. Дешева рибка, погана юшка. Literally, cheap fish makes bad soup. Дешева рибка, погана юшка. The meaning is simple. Poor quality things bring poor results. If you choose something only because it is cheap, you should not expect it to be good. It applies not only to food, but also to work, study and life decisions. Дешева рибка, погана юшка. Next. Яке коріння, таке й насіння. Literally, what the root is, so is the seed. The proverb shows that the origin determines the result. A good beginning leads to good outcomes, while a weak foundation produces weak results. It can also describe family, traditions, or education. Children often inherit the qualities of their parents. Яке коріння, таке й насіння. So thank you for watching. I hope it is helpful for you. Text me comments, please. What do you think about my lessons? And see you. I create these videos to help you train your listening skills and get used to real Ukrainian. But in my lessons, you get much more. We work with my own conversation club practice, where you improve your speaking. So go ahead and book a lesson on Preply. It's an international platform for online learning where you can easily and safely find me and schedule your classes. You'll find the link below this video or in my profile header.